And when there are two vowels, mostly it happens like first vowel sounds the same sound which the alphabet have. I have a question. Have you subscribed this channel or not yet? If not, please do it because you are going to learn something new which will be helpful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel Brain Train Taa'leem. This is Farzana Shaheen and we are doing long vowel I sound today. I, when it's a long vowel sound, it gives the same sound as its alphabet is. Same like I. Vowel have long sounds and short sounds also, but we are doing long vowel sound. So let's start it. First long I vowel sound word is bite. You can see here, bite, bite. Next one is, you can see it's I sounds like I, bite. Then I'll, ice, sound, then I sound, ice, nice, I'd. And if you can notice, you can see that there are two vowels here, and when there are two vowels, mostly it happens like first vowel sounds the same sound which the alphabet have. Name of the alphabet. It sounds like that. Next is crime, 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 wise, wise, mine. After that is pride, pride, eyes, size, and vibes, vibes. Let's see now, can you recognize the words with long vowel sounds or not? Let's try. So these are the words. First one is, this one is ripe. So what do you say? Is it a long vowel I sound or short vowel sound? Ripe. It is long. I sound, ripe. Next one is this lip. Is it long or short? Lip, lip. It is not long because it's saying I, not I. So what about the next one? It is nine. Nine? Yes, it is. Perfect, you got it. What about this one? Dial. Dial. It is I sound, right? Dial. I. Then this one, bit. It's bit. Bit. Then next one is ice, mice. Yes, it is mice. So you know today that I is the sound when it's a long vowel sound. I, alphabet's name. Now it's time to subscribe and share with your friends. Share it and wait for the next video. Thank you so much for being with me. Take care and Allah Hafiz.